In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Twilio SMS automation in Monday.com. To get started, open Google Chrome and head over to your Monday.com CRM or communication board. Make sure you're on the specific board where you want the SMS automation to happen, because the setup will apply to that board's activity and status changes. If you use multiple boards in your workspace, it's worth taking a quick second to confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Once you're inside the board, look toward the top area of the workspace and click on Integrations. This is where Monday.com lets you connect outside tools and services, so actions inside your board can trigger something automatically. In this case, we're connecting Twilio so the board can send out text messages when a certain status update happens. After the integration section opens, use the search bar to look for Twilio, type in the name, and when the Twilio app appears, click on its icon to open the available integration options. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment or double check the spelling in the search field. The goal here is simply to access Twilio's automation templates inside Monday.com. Once you're in the Twilio integration area, find and select the automation that says, "When a status changes to something, send an SMS to phone number." This automation is useful when you want a text message to go out automatically based on a status update in your board. For example, it can help notify a contact, a team member, or a customer as soon as something reaches a specific stage. When choosing this automation, pay close attention to the wording. Monday.com uses these recipes as starting points, and this one is specifically designed to connect a status change with an outgoing SMS. That means your next configuration will revolve around two key pieces: which status change should trigger the message and which phone number field should receive the text. At this stage, you've successfully located the correct integration and selected the right automation template. That's the foundation of the setup, and it ensures you're working with the right trigger for SMS communication through Twilio. If you're following along inside your own board, take a moment to confirm everything looks correct before continuing to the next part of your setup.